Hello there and welcome to SNMB Academy. In this presentation I'll be showing you how to solve negative indices. Now here I have a question, 4 to the power of minus 1. Now before we get cracking onto this, let's just try to 4 to the power of 1. So let's just spare the minus sign for the time being. Now 4 to the power of 1 will just be itself, 4. Right? Any whole number that we have, we know that it can be written as over 1. Any whole number. Let's say if you want to write 5, 5 can be written as 5 over 1. If I want to write 25, 25 can be written as 25 over 1. So any whole number would be written as over 1. And the reason for that being is because if we just do 25 over 1, that means 25 divided by 1, that's just 25. So we don't need to write this fraction. We can just write the whole number as 25. Likewise, same thing for 4 over 1. That would mean 4 divided by 1, that's just 4. So we can just write 4. We don't need to write the fraction. Now, when we're dealing with a negative sign here, 4 to the power of minus 1. We know that 4 to the power of 1 is 4. Now 4 to the power of minus 1, what does this minus mean? This minus means a reciprocal. And a reciprocal means that a number will always be 1 over something. So let's just say 1 over x. So what we have is if we have 4 to the power of 1 as 4, so 4 to the power of minus 1 would be 1 over 4. So all we're doing is we are just putting 1 over the base number. So this 4 would be my base number. Let's just write that would be my base number. So it would just be 1 over the base, making sure that we obviously, taking the powers into consideration. So let's try to do the second one. So in this one, all we're doing is we will do our powers first. So we do 3 to the power of 2. So 3 to the power of 2 is the same thing as writing 3 multiplied by 3, which is 9. So 3 to the power of 2 would be 9. And because we have a negative here, so that would be the reciprocal, we just do 1 over 9. So very, straightforward. You just have to understand the logistics behind it. Likewise, let's just do one more. If I have, let me just give it as 4 to the power of minus 3. Now in this question, what are we doing? We're looking at 4 to the power of 3 first. So that would be 4 to the power of 3. That would be 4 times by 4 times by 4. And that's 64. So we know that 4 to the power of 3 is 64. And the minus would mean just 1 over. And this is what the reciprocal basically does. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you very much.